Take a moment to check out the 2023 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, bed liner, lane keeping assist, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.